guys, Eric from Eric and Jen's Excellent Adventure here. I want to do a quick little video today on a mod that frankly I probably should have done years ago. I don't know why I didn't. I had the part, I just never did it. But I'm going to add a shutoff valve to the toilet. The PEX line runs kind of right behind it. It's fairly easily accessible. So let me spin you around here. I'm going to show you the piece I'm going to use. Alright, so this is the shutoff valve. It's plastic. Basically, it's a push to connect. So you're going to, back here I got the water line. I'm going to cut about an inch of it out. And then we'll add this by putting these little fairings, I guess you call them. I don't know. They'll go into the line, and then the whole line gets pushed into the end of that. You push it all the way in, and that's it. Now, you could also, if you don't want to get, these fittings, you could also use, your Home Depot and Lowe's. They sell these shark bite fittings, which are pretty much basically the same thing. Now, they also sell a little bit nicer looking ones. I mean, obviously, you probably don't want that sitting in your camper like that, but they do sell nicer chrome ones that are for water shutoffs for your toilets and stuff like that. So, like I said, I'm going to take these cutters, which I've had. They're a tubing cutter, and I'm going to, just like a pair of scissors, basically, I'm going to cut about an inch of the line out somewhere in here, and then I'm going to put that valve in. Now, you don't have to have these to cut that tubing. If you got like maybe a small saw or something like that, you could cut it. Just if you have, if you use a saw or something and you got some rough edges, just kind of take a little sandpaper and smooth it out a little bit. But let me get a piece of this cut out, and then we'll get back to you. Alright, so I did cut the line. There was a little residual water in here. I should mention that if you're going to do this, make sure your water pump is turned off, because if not, then you'll be shooting water out. So this is the little plastic piece I had. I'm just going to stick that in there, and kind of need two hands, but we'll see if we can do it. Literally just push it on, and that's it. And then we're going to do the same with that side, then we'll be done. So let me get both hands on this, and then I'll give you an update. Alright, and just like that, we're done. It does spin around on here, and that's normal. I'll tell you what, it took me longer to talk to you guys than it actually did to do this. This was a nice, easy one. So don't be scared to try this one at home. And I will put the link down below for one of these valves if you're interested in that. And maybe I can find the shark bite ones too. I'll put the links down for those as well. So until next time, guys, keep it safe in your travels and keep between the mustard and the mayo.